Hey guys, Evan with Evan's Landscape here. So what I'm doing now is going around, this is a raised patio section with sitting walls, and we got columns going around here. And so the temperature today is a little chilly, and as you can see there's snow right here, there's snow on this cap, snow on this cap. Some of these caps are frozen down, and I need to, the weather's not looking so good in the future, so what I need to do is go ahead and glue these down. And some of these caps are kind of frozen, some of them have ice underneath, and so what I went around and did is I just took a hammer and loosened them all up. Now, if we can get this one off here, I'm gonna drop it on my toes. So there is a layer of kind of very thin ice here, very slippery. Of course, the glue is not going to adhere to that. So what we're gonna do is fire up this little guy. This is just a roofing torch. 20-pound cylinder. Oh, 15-pound, my bad. Anyway, LP, we're gonna hook that up and we are going to pretty much roast all the ice off of here. And so then we can set our cap on there. So I'm gonna get this thing hooked up and we are gonna start a fire. So after we go around with the torch and get all the water off, get all the caps nice and dry, now these are nice and warm to the touch. So now the glue can set up and we can start rolling. So I'm going to go around here and get the water off all of these, all the ice off of these, and then go around and glue. And then all the coping for this patio will be done. So thanks for watching. Hopefully this helped out. Again, I'm using this little roofing torch. It's from Lincoln Electric, I think. And just a regular gas tank from your grill, or LP tank that you can put in your grill. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for following along. Hopefully this little tip helped out. If it did, please like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. And stay tuned for more videos. See you next time, guys. Thanks.